Hello everyone and welcome back to our Master Present Simple Tense series. In episode 1, we learned how to make basic present simple tenses using subject plus base verb plus object. For example, I play football, you read books, we study English, they drink tea. So, in episode 2, we learned that when the subject is he, she, or it, the main verb usually changes. For example, he plays football, she reads books, it works well. We also learned how to add s, es, or ies to verbs. Today in episode 3, we are going to learn how to make negative sentences in the present simple tense. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand when to use don't, when to use doesn't, why the main verb returns to its original form, how to change positive sentences into negative sentences, the common mistakes learners make, how to use negative sentences in everyday English. So stay with me until the end because we will also have a practice exercise and homework challenge. So, what is a negative sentence? First, let us understand the meaning of a negative sentence. A positive sentence tells us that something happens, is true, or is part of someone's routine. For example, I drink coffee. This means drinking coffee is something I do. Now look at the negative sentence. I do not drink coffee. This means drinking coffee is not something I do. Another example, she likes tea. This is positive. She does not like tea. This is negative. So a negative sentence tells us that someone does not do something, does not happen, or something is not true. The basic negative structure. The basic structure of a present simple negative sentence is subject plus do not or does not plus base verb and then object. Let us break this structure into small pieces. In this sentence, I do not play football. I is the subject. Do not makes the sentence negative. Play is the base verb and football is the object. Now look at another example. She does not play football. She is the subject. Does not makes the sentence negative. Play is the base verb and football is the object. The most important part of today's lesson is choosing correctly between do not and does not. Now, one more thing. Don't and doesn't. In normal spoken and written English, we often use contractions. Do not becomes don't. Does not becomes doesn't. So, I do not play football can become I don't play football. And she does not play football can become she doesn't play football. Both forms are correct. The full forms do not and does not may sound more formal or may be used when we want to add emphasis. The contracted forms don't and doesn't are extremely common in everyday English. So, when do we use don't? We use don't with I, you, we, and they. Remember this group. I, you, we, they, don't. Okay? Examples. I don't drink coffee. You don't understand the question. We don't watch television at night. They don't live near the school. Let's examine each subject separately. So, I don't. We say I don't eat meat. I doesn't eat meat. More examples. I don't wake up early on Sundays. I don't speak French. I don't like cold weather. I don't use my phone during class. Now, you plus don't. We say you don't listen carefully. More examples. You don't need my help. You don't study at night. You don't play cricket every day. You don't understand this rule yet. Remember that you can refer to one person or more than one person, but we still use don't. Now, we plus don't. We say we don't go to school on Sunday. More examples. We don't eat dinner late. We don't live in that city. We don't speak loudly in the library. We don't have class today. Now, they plus don't. We say they don't play football. More examples. They don't watch television in the morning. They don't work on weekends. They don't study English every day. They don't know the answer. So again, I, you, we, they, we will use don't. So, when do we use doesn't? We use doesn't with he, she and it. Remember this second group. He, she, it, we will use doesn't. Examples. He doesn't drink coffee. She doesn't understand the lesson. It doesn't work properly. Let us examine each subject separately. He plus doesn't. We say he doesn't play football. More examples. He doesn't wake up early. He doesn't speak English at home. He doesn't like spicy food. He doesn't drive to work. She plus doesn't. We say she doesn't read newspapers. More examples. She doesn't drink tea. She doesn't study at night. She doesn't watch television. She doesn't live near the market. Now, it plus doesn't. We use it for animals, objects, machines, places, weather, situations, and other things. Examples. It doesn't work. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any noise. It doesn't open easily. It doesn't rain much here. The phone doesn't charge properly. The cat doesn't drink milk. So again, he, she, it, we will use doesn't. Now the golden rule. Here is the golden rule for today's session. I, you, we, they, we will use don't. And he, she, it, we will use doesn't. Let us compare them. I don't play football. You don't play football. We don't play football. They don't play football. But he doesn't play football. She doesn't play football. I doesn't play football. The subject decides whether we use don't or doesn't. So viewers, before we finish today's lesson, I want to say well done. You've learned some very important grammar rules today, and I hope they're much clearer now. The next part of this lesson is a little longer. So instead of rushing through it, I've divided it into 3 easy to follow videos. Okay? This way, you can learn step by step without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, learning English isn't about finishing quickly. It's about understanding each rule and using it correctly. So stay with this series, watch every episode, practice regularly, and you'll see your English improve day by day. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next part. Okay? I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning.